So I can't really do any talking while the mixer is on. But I'm gonna try and do everything here and then move to the mixer.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Or you could mix it by hand.
No.
Why?
Because I set up the mixer.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. And this video is for Aggie. Today we are making white chocolate chip banana cookies as per her request. I found this recipe for chocolate chip banana cookies and I've got most of the ingredients out over here. I don't have the flour out. But what you'll notice is that there's no eggs in this recipe. So the banana is somehow replacing an egg. Also, it does call for butter, but because we're not using an egg, you're halfway vegan. So if you wanted to substitute the butter for a vegan butter substitute of some kind, you could. So we're gonna start with our dry ingredients as the recipe states here. I've already whisked the flour in because nobody wants to watch me do that. But now we're adding the baking soda and cornstarch. And whisking together. Okay, we've got a range of bananas here. We're only gonna use 2, but we're gonna use the ripest bananas. So we've had these for, I don't know, what, close to 2 weeks. And they're ready. So I'm gonna just describe to you the smell of this kitchen right now with 6 bananas in front of me. It's pretty strong and it's pretty disgusting. So just gonna go ahead and touch a banana. Oh, in the bowl here I have a half cup of butter. So to start, I go to pick up this banana and it is so gross. It is completely rock hard right here. This is normally the little handle that the monkeys hold when they eat the banana. They open them up this way and they hold it. No, that is not gonna happen here. Okay, look how disgusting that is. Like, ew. Also, this is where the sticker was on the banana and I took the sticker off before the video. So that's like pretty much the only yellow part of this. Yeah. Pretty nasty. This banana is black. I don't even, oh my god, even this part is hard. I don't know how I'm gonna get this banana open. The only way I know how to open a banana is from one end to the other. Oh my god. Why is the skin so thin? Is this like become, oh my god, it smells horrible. I'm gonna be very careful so I don't touch this banana. I will never not smell like a banana then. Oh. Okay. One done. Oh my god, a little banana on me. Banana 2. I'm trying to slow this down so you can see what the inside of this banana looks like. It's like furry. Not like the mold kind of furry, but just furry. Like, look at the strings on this thing. Oh, it's actually yellow, like the color of butter. Like, it's not that nice white-ish color that a banana is. It's definitely not nice anymore. It's even making a sound. Poop that one out. Okay, now we're done with the most disgusting part. So actually, if you take a look for a quick second, the banana is actually a darker color than the butter. That's new for me. Now we're gonna add our sugars because we're going to cream together the butter and the banana and the sugars. So we've got white sugar. We are now going to add the brown sugar. And I'm gonna let the mixer do the work here because I'm lazy. And this is just a lot of butter and sugar and bananas to brown. So we're gonna head over to the mixer. Gonna start on a low speed and probably stop, scrape down the sides, and keep going until everything's incorporated. Oh my god, it smells so bad. It is so fragrant. This is kind of the equivalent of smelling alcohol and it's just hitting your nose so hard. Like, this is so bad. So what's happening right now is that banana was so soft, it basically just turned to mush and liquid. It's really strong, it's really gross. Like, even the butter can't be like totally mixed, and it's just really bad. But I'm gonna scrape down the bowl and we're gonna keep going. Honestly, this looks like diarrhea. This is so gross. It smells like diarrhea. Ugh. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our dry ingredients little by little. This actually smells a whole lot better with the vanilla in it. Yeah, here's to hoping that it stays that way. Nope, back to that banana smell. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat this process over and over until all our dry ingredients are finished. So this last step is to add the white chocolate chips provided by Aggie. And this is going to be really quick because it's not great for the mixer, but whatever. Just going to dump the whole bag in. Okay. I'm going to just take this attachment. So, we're just gonna scrape everything down. You don't want to waste any ingredients. Probably should have just folded the chips in, but you know, whatever. So I'm gonna quick do that once I've scraped this down. And then this dough has to chill for 30 minutes before we can bake. The reason you want to do that is because you don't want the butter to be too soft, otherwise it will just run right out of the cookie and you won't have soft cookies. You'll have very crunchy cookies because all that's left is sugar and water and a little bit of banana. And you just don't want a dry cookie. Okay, so this is our product right here before it's going to go in the fridge and chill for 30 minutes. So I'll see you back here in 30 minutes. Ken. Now some banana facts. Bananas float in water, as do apples and watermelons. The type of banana you see in the supermarket is called the Cavendish banana. The preferred variety was originally the Gros Michael, which essentially became extinct in the 1960s, thanks to a fungus called the Panama disease. Well, the Panama disease done fucked up because it should have taken out all bananas on the earth. Some cultures, most notably Japan, use the fiber in the banana plant to make fabric and sometimes even paper. I'm wondering where in Japan this must be. Bananas. Ooh. Our oven is preheated, so we can end banana facts. Let's go get the dough. Are you ready to go get the dough? The dough should be nice and chilled because it's what, 19 degrees outside? Your fridge is actually much longer than that. So, just looking at it right now, it looks like it's pretty chilled. I'm moving it around and it's not really moving, so that's a good sign. So we've preheated the oven to 375, and our next piece of instructions I already went ahead and did, which is to line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and I've got my ice cream scoop to scoop out the cookies. These are gonna be enormous, so you're welcome, Aggie. So we have our 3 right here. Probably just gonna move this one over a touch. I'm gonna touch these right now. Just gonna pop them in. It says 9 to 10 minutes, but we're gonna watch them in the oven. Sometimes they need a little more time just because I did have such a large scoop. I'm gonna guess they're gonna take more than 10 minutes. Okay, so these look pretty done. I'm glad I gave them 2 extra minutes. They're just gonna cool for about a minute on the baking sheet, and then we'll transfer them to the wire rack. Gonna put them on the wire rack. You don't need to film this. Okay, here are my thoughts. I can understand why people like them. The banana tastes very different when it's cooked. It's just very overwhelming. Like, the smell right now is all I can smell. Like, it doesn't even smell like a cookie. It just is like banana, banana, banana. The cookies themselves, I don't know if you can see, are like really sinking, and for a minute I thought they were gonna like go through the wire rack. The cookies themselves are probably just too big and there's too many chips, so they sink. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unthinkable right now, and I'm gonna give a little taste test. Yeah, no. Banana does what it does best, which is just it's so bland, and then it's the only thing you can taste, like aftertaste wise. The texture is actually really nice. So the cookies themselves are soft and chewy, and all of the edges are really crunchy. But then you get these white chocolate chips, and they're just so sweet. And then you just get banana. And it's like they can't all be happy together. I need water. I might need something stronger than water. That's it. Did I forget anything else from our video checklist? Oh, a big old f you, Aggie, and I think a finger was requested. Love you.